Hey guys, Kevin from ProX here to talk a little bit about two-stroke pistons. Some people may think two-strokes went and came back, but here at ProX we never stopped our two-stroke piston development. We hold our two-stroke pistons to OEM or better reliability and performance standards. Our two-stroke pistons are manufactured under strict tolerances by the same manufacturers that supply the major Japanese OEMs. The majority of ProX two-stroke pistons are gravity cast using an aluminum alloy that contains about 18% silicon. The silicon helps reduce thermal expansion, so you can run a tighter piston to wall clearance, translating to improved performance. The silicon also helps improve wear. ProX two-stroke pistons are designed to OEM specifications, but some part numbers have additional features added, such as exhaust bridge lubrication holes and wrist pin oiling holes. Additional features like this help improve the reliability that ProX holds its standards to. ProX also utilizes special coatings for many of our two-stroke pistons, such as the MOS2 skirt coating. This skirt coating not only helps provide a smooth surface during piston break-in, but it also reduces friction during engine operation. For certain applications that are subject to excessive combustion chamber heat, those ProX two-stroke pistons will feature an anodized crown and ring groove to help protect against the corrosion and damage that the excessive heat can cause. The majority of ProX two-stroke pistons are offered in A through D graded sizing so that you can maintain proper piston to wall clearance as you rebuild with your cylinder that's wearing slightly larger. All ProX two-stroke piston kits come with high-quality Japanese rings, as well as the wrist pin and circlips. Small end bearings are also available from ProX for most applications. Visit our blog for more tech info on our two-stroke pistons, and head to prox.com to find a piston for your two-stroke.